Hello everyone, just came to share my 2019 fall decorated bars. Okie dokie, let's get started. Well, it's almost turkey time. Oh, I just want to share these two paintings. I did this, my little artwork. They're cute little orange and purple cats. Well, I've been rushed to do this video, so whatever is funky, not polished, dust and shine, oh well, family wants this over with and done. So let's get started, family. Enjoy the video. Some areas are kind of dark, some are light. Tried my best to make it as clear and we can see as much as possible, but I don't have great light over here, so hope you enjoy, family, sister, brothers, all you guys. Enjoy my 2019 fall decor decorations, handmade by crocheting, painting, sewing, whatever I did to get the job done. It's all here, and I'm going to start getting ready for Christmas. I hope to have something for Christmas, but enjoy my fall video. Time to share. Folks tired of waiting. They want to eat the snack, so I have to make a video. Right now I'm sharing with you some pictures that I painted, I made. Aren't they cute? Cat pictures. Probably can't see so good. Once again, the light. Don't have the light, but bear with me. So sharing those. Sharing the refrigerator with all the pies. I don't know if you can see on top of the refrigerator, but there are little flowers. They don't give me time to do everything. They want to get to my snacks, so whatever's out of order, it's out of order. I'm just sharing my 2019 fall decorated coffee bar and bar. And also sharing all the decor decorations that I made from crocheting, painting, and whatever else I did to make some decorations. So the front that I'm sharing with you right now, I got my little reindeer. I don't know if you can see it that well, sitting in that candy jar. I have a little guy back there with the purple hat. I'm just going to take his picture so you guys can get a good look. And the candy jars, cookie jars, you know, I made little hats for them. I made little hats for them. And candy, cookies, which my family appreciates, but they really enjoy the ones that they can really eat. So, family, hope you enjoy my fall decorated 2019 bar and decorations. I have them placed. Burst of orange, purple, green, lime green, browns, golds. Let's see. Let's go around to the other side. Right now I'm just showing you the bar side with all kind of stuff. It's still functional. They can get to the snacks and the drinks. Like I said, they want me to do this video. I didn't have a chance to do everything, but whatever you see is funky, it's just funky. Now, on this side, I made Grandpa and Grandma. They don't have the grandkids. Like I said, I didn't do everything I wanted to do because folks are rushing me. Next year, I'll have some other of my black folks characters hanging around the bar. But Grandpa and Grandma, they're here, saying happy fall to y'all. And there's my reindeer, my fall reindeers I crocheted. I'll take their pictures so you guys can get a better look. And this is the bar. Lord Jesus, it is really dark over here. Well, the pictures will let you guys see clear. And guess what? My husband found Mr. Pumpkin. Everybody say hello to Mr. Pumpkin. Welcome back, Mr. Pumpkin. You were missed. Let's see if we can get a little bit more light on this. Okay, I tried to get a little bit more light, but it's still dingy, dark. Hope you guys enjoy a lot of pictures. Okay, Mr. Pumpkin, welcome back. Thanks for joining the party. You were surely missed when you couldn't be found. I'm glad that you're found. My husband found him. I thought it was the end of the Mr. Pumpkin journey. No, I'm not crazy, but I love a great smile, especially Mr. Pumpkin's. Okay, so you guys know I made my little fall cups here. You've seen the pictures in previous videos. And on the snack bar, what we have? Honey buns, yum, donut sticks. You probably can't see anything, and I'm very disappointed. Cookies, soups. There's the Keurig. Sorry about the TV. I don't want the TV in this video. That's not a part of the show. We have all kind of candy. Guess you guys saw that. And a big old giant barrel of cheese balls. Got some Skittles. Got some mixed candies. And hope you guys can see through there where I have, let's pull it up. I don't know. That sign back there, the turkeys. Everything, I don't know, I probably can't even get everything in here. I just love the burst of orange and the purple and the lime and the browns and the golds and Mr. Pumpkin's beautiful smile. You guys saw my pumpkin pie, crochet pumpkin pie slices and pies on the refrigerator. I would like to have done more, but like I said, family wants to get to my snacks. And I didn't want them to get to my snacks until I made the video, because there wouldn't have been any snacks in the jar. I have some pretzels back there. And, oh, you guys see what I did with my little characters I made? The fox, bears, chipmunks, I guess. Oops, get out of there. TV. I don't know. Just want to share my fall decor. I love all these colors. I love color. Hope you family, you guys do too. And sharing it with the world. They probably would have loved to see more light, but I would have too. But since it's not possible, hope you guys still enjoy my video. It's early in the morning. It's not too much light. I have lights on in the kitchen. I have the windows open, but it's still not bright enough. Well, I guess this is it. Happy fall, y'all. Thanks for watching my 2019 fall decorations and decor for around the coffee bar in the bar area. Yep, this is all I want to do, because it takes a lot of work setting this stuff up. Whole house not done. It's a little things around, but this area is very heavily decorated, as you guys can see. And I love the color walking in here and just seeing all of this burst of orange. Ooh, it's beautiful, so refreshing. And it makes me happy, makes the family happy. Hope it's making y'all happy. And enjoy. Thanks for watching. Look like we got a little light, so I'm doing a little extra part in case, well, not really in case. It's a little bit more light in the room right now, so I'm just hitting up what I'm thinking wasn't being shown very clearly in the darker video. So you guys see Grandma and Grandpa sitting there on top of the Keurig holding signs that say Happy Fall. And you can see my orange, grape, grape, purple, browns and golds, lime green colors, beautiful colors. I love these colors, like African colors. Not like, they are. And I love them. And I'm glad that they're in this 2019 fall decor video. So, just wanted to come in here for another quick second, share with you guys. Hey, Mr. Pumpkin. A little bit lit up coffee bar. I'm not going to do the alcohol bar, just the coffee bar. Just want to show you guys. Hope you guys can see all the little decorations I made. I have some fall deers. I have cars, turkeys. Well, you guys already know. I have foxes, bears, squirrels. Let me see. Donuts. See the donuts right there. Pies. Holiday fall hats. Owls. Owls. Okay. Well, that'll do it. Happy fall, y'all.